So in this class, let us see how we can connect a pointer to a structure. We will be learning the third way of connecting a pointer to a structure. So how can we do that? We have already learned a pointer can be connected to a structure in these three ways. First two ways we have already learned, and the third way is where we want to connect a pointer to both structure variable and member. So this is the concept where we have learned how a pointer can be connected to a structure variable. What we have done, we have taken a pointer variable and we have used the indirector operator to get the value. And the second way is we have connected a pointer to a structure member. Right now, how we have done that one, we have taken a pointer to a members of the structure and we have stored the address of another variable into that, and we have used the normal thing that we have done. Now the third way is connecting, having the pointer in both the cases. So what is that? I'll tell you how to do that one also. Okay, so how we are doing, we want to have a pointer to a variable, structure variable and a member. Okay, now let me copy the program, same code, let me copy. Now according to our requirement, we need to have pointer to the structure members. That is the first thing. So every pointer member is a pointer, that is okay. And the second thing is we need to have a pointer to the structure variable also. That means we cannot have S1, we can have S1, but we need to have a one more structure variable. Okay, struct student, another pointer variable P, and using this P we need to access the variable values. Okay, that is what we need to do here. So we need to have a pointer here. I'll be highlighting those things here, and we need to have a pointer to the variable also. Right? Not only in the member and not only in the variable of this one. We need to have in both the cases. In that case, what you need to do? Simply we can change this one. Observe this one, how I am changing this one. I'll strike out this one. How we are changing this one, I'll tell you. So how we are changing this one? Follow carefully. Instead of S1, because we have a pointer variable, we need to write P arrow mark. That is the only difference. Very simple. What we need to do? Just we need to replace that one with the pointer variable. That's it. Observe the difference, because earlier we have to use directly with the structure variable, but now we need to use a pointer variable also. Structure variable should also be a pointer. Then if you are using a pointer variable, you need to use this one. Right? Let us see the program for this one. So what we are doing? We have created a structure members as element pointers. That is okay. Now here a variable should be created as a pointer also. So struct student star P I'm writing, and P, what I will be doing? P will be holding the value of yes. Now after this, what can we do? Instead of writing the values like this, what can we need to do? We need to write P arrow mark of name. Why we are writing P arrow mark of name? Because we are accessing to the structure pointer variable, not a structure normal variable. Right? Now after reading like this, now you need to get the value. How can you get the value? How can you get the value? You need to put star P arrow mark. That is the only difference. Very simple. Got a lot of you? What we have done? We have created a members of the structure as pointers and variable of the structure also as a pointer. And then how can you access the values? Simply by using your arrow mark and star operator for all the things. So let us run this program and let us check. It is asking for the name Ravi. Okay, we have to give only one character. Same mistake I have done. Let us consider R is the name, 123 is the ID, and 89 is the percentage. So you can check, you got the details. So we are successful in accessing the values using the structure variable. This is your structure variable as a pointer, and also the structure members also as a pointer. Got it? So these are all three ways. First way is only to the pointed to the structure variable. Second way is only pointed to the structure members. And the third way, which we have discussed in this class, pointer to both the members and the structure variable. Only difference you need to remember here is whenever you are using a pointer to the structure member, replace the dot operator with this indirection operator. That's it. Very simple. Okay. So with this, we come to an end of this class, where all the three ways of connecting a pointer to the structure is finished. I hope you all are clear with this concept. Let us all meet in the next lecture. Thank you.